how to build a Lego speedboat. You'll need one 2x1 piece. You'll need one 4x4. You'll need one ambulance plane rescue propeller. And you'll need one connector. You'll need some sort of thing that carries a holster propeller. And then you'll need a 2x2 plate smooth. So let's get started. First, you take the gold 4x4 piece and just lay it down like that. Then you take the 4x2 piece and you put like, there it looks like a raft. And we gotta like put it together from there. And then you like take the 2x2 plate smooth and you just put it there. Then you take the propeller piece. There's a circle on it, but we won't care about that. Then you like make it go through. Then you connect it on like that. That's how you make a speedboat. I hope you guys enjoyed. But here's how, it's my third model in the mini series. So that's how it spins. And hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out. Bow, 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 bow.